Are you looking for a deodorant that specifically targets private parts? If so, you are in luck. It's no secret that women suffer from a lot of issues with their private parts, from acne to odor. These problems can really take a toll on our moods and overall health. That's why it's important to find the best deodorant for women's private parts. In this video, I will tell you top 6 deodorant for women private parts that's got thousands of positive reviews on Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 6. NutraBlast IntiMist Intimate Oil Blend. The NutraBlast IntiMist Intimate Oil Blend is designed to keep your intimate area moisturized, deodorized, and free of irritation. The organic ingredients help balance the pH level and soothe any irritation. Additionally, it was developed in collaboration with gynecologists, making it safe for users without any potential side effects. The organic ingredients such as olive oil, aloe vera oil, orange peel oil, etc. balance the pH level, soothe dryness and itchiness, and reduce discomfort and vaginal odor. They can be used right after waxing or shaving with no skin irritation whatsoever. Spray it onto your vaginal area and undergarments for maximum comfort and freshness without any unpleasant symptoms. This woman's natural hydrating mist may support comfort from dryness, soreness, and unpleasant tissue issues, itch, or vaginal odor. Number 5. Kushae Natural Feminine Deodorant Spray. The Kushae Natural Feminine Deodorant Spray is perfect for women who have a lot of hair in the area where they sweat, as well as for those who want to prevent bad bacteria from decomposition. It's also effective in controlling sweat and odor. This spray has natural ingredients like arrowroot powder or aloe leaf juice, radish root ferment, and baking soda. The product gives you gentle and all-day protection against sweat odors from your intimate area. It stops lousy odor from decomposing bacteria. This product has been created for women by a woman. No perfumes to artificially mask odors, providing you a peace of mind when using this natural deodorant. It is aluminum and talc-free, containing no parabens, parless, and fragrance-free. Number 4. Bona Natural Feminine Deodorant Spray. Formulated with natural compounds like calendula and echinacea, Bona Natural Feminine Deodorant Spray has been carefully researched to provide women with an effective and natural solution. This signature feminine blend contains essential oils like lemongrass and orange, which result in a gentle citrus scent and provides a mild and refreshing fragrance. Spray application means no messy creams or awkward suppositories and applications. This product is a heavy oil and doesn't really mist as fine as a water-based product would. The greater priority to me is to create a product that actually works. Watering it down to achieve a better mist would be compromising the product. It smells so good and not in that artificial, perfumey, frivolous way. It is a natural, somewhat herbal smelling combination of essential oil that complements my natural scent when I am infection-free. Number 3. Femfresh 125 ml Feminine Freshness Deodorant Spray. Femfresh Feminine Freshness Deodorant Spray is a super rescue product for those embarrassing moments when you are getting sweaty and a bit not so fresh. It smells so fresh and gives you extra confidence in knowing you're protected, and no nasty chemicals. Definitely worth a buy, even just to try it if you are unsure. You won't be disappointed. It is safe and skin friendly, so you do not have to water wash or prior to using this product. Spray it around your privates, on the go, and experience freshness. Clinical and gynecological tests have pronounced this as a safe product for everyday use. You can also spray it on your panties and undergarments for added freshness. This spray contains ingredients to control body odor. Number 2. Queen V The Spritzer pH Balance Rose Water Spray for Women. Queen V is a fresh and hydrating rose water spray that uses only natural and known ingredients. It controls vaginal odor and maintains a healthy pH balance in the vagina. The product is recommended by gynecologists as a way to eliminate any foul smell from your private part, induce a rose fragrance, and maintain healthy vaginal condition. It eradicates any foul smell from your private parts and induced a clean and fresh fragrance. Use it daily, after your shower, or at any time throughout the day. You may also use it anytime before, after, or during your periods. I have been using this spray for over a year. It is great for sensitive skin and doesn't leave a sticky residue. So far, so good on fabric. The only complaint I have is that when you use it, it does leave your parts moist down there from the spray. So I usually used to have to wipe it with toilet paper after. Number 1. Vagi-Pal Orchid Vagina Fresh Feminine Deodorant Spray. The Vagi-Pal Orchid Vagina Fresh Feminine Deodorant Spray is a natural and organic deodorant that helps to eliminate foul, fishy vaginal odor. It also balances the vagina's pH, fights against yeast, fungus, and harmful bacteria, and is a quick fix for those moments when you want to get intimate with your partner. It also can freshen tampons, pads, and undergarments. Gynecologist and clinically tested with a hypoallergenic, skin-friendly scent. Up to 24 hours odor protection, patented odor block technology. Provide clean and fresh feeling without water for instant freshening on the go. No white residue, zero irritation or to a sensitive skin, especially the skin down there. From my experience, it seems to really be long lasting, and that's really good because that's what I needed.